Yaufey Home Dehumidifier. Our 30-pin dehumidifier design with modern and fashion look perfectly coordinate with your home decoration. It quickly and effectively removes up to 4 gallons or 30 pins of moisture per day from the surrounding humid air through its powerful built-in pump compressor and work up to 1,500 square feet. It features a light-touch intelligent control panel which lets you see the operating settings at a glance. Very convenient and simple to use. The smart dehumidifier shows real-time air humidity when it's working. You are able to set an ideal humidity level when the current humidity level overtakes or drops to the level you set. This smart dehumidifier will automatically begin to work or stop. Program the 24-hour timer to suit your lifestyle and save energy costs. Select between regular and turbo fan speeds for optimal comfort. When the water tank is full, the indicator will flash and the dehumidifier then automatically switch off. Once the tank is empty and put back in place, the dehumidifier can be turned back on and process begins again. Moreover, it can also be continuously drained via the included 2-meter-long drain hose. It's really convenient. The air filter is easy to remove and washable, which means no expensive supplies. Simply clean it regularly and then recycle. The powerful dehumidifier from Yaufey quickly and efficiently reduces room humidity to protect clothes, home goods and furniture from mildew, mold and moisture rot, keeping your home fresh and pleasant all the time.
Our Waykar 70-pin dehumidifier has modern and fashion design, which coordinates with your home decoration perfectly. It removes up to 9 gallons of water per day and works up to 4,500 square feet through its powerful built-in compressor. The 360-degree universal views at the bottom enable movement in all directions without damaging the floor. Our dehumidifier with intelligent screen touch control panel, which lets you set operating setting at a glance. They are convenient to operate and simple to use. Our Waykar dehumidifier supports your customized humidity level and display current humidity while working. You can set the ideal humidity level, use the setting button. When the humidity level overtakes or drops to the level you set, the dehumidifier compressor will automatically begin working or stop. 1. Power on automatically when the ambient humidity above the setting humidity. 2. Power off automatically when the ambient humidity below the setting humidity. You can program the 24 hours timer to set your lifestyle and save your energy costs. And select between regular and turbo fan speeds for optimal comfort. When you press the button and hold for 2 seconds, and the control panel will be locked. There are 4 air outlets and the 4 sides of the dehumidifier instead of that in one side. When the water bucket is full, the indicator will display and the dehumidifier automatically power off. Once the water bucket is emptied and put back in place, the humidifier can be turned on again. It can also be continuously drained via the included 6.97 feet long drain hose. The air filter is easy to remove and washable. Simple clean it in regular and then recycle. Please clean it once a month. The powerful dehumidifier from Waykar quickly and efficiently reduces room humidity and brings you a healthy and comfortable life. Fresh and comfortable all the time.